What began as a political advantage for National Unity Platform Party following the chaotic Bobi Wine rally in Gulu has now flipped into a major setback as Todwong's hard-hitting mobilization strategy dismantles National Unity Platform grips in northern Uganda. After the Gulu saga, where violence and disorder at the Nope rally led many to wrongly accuse NRM supporters, National Unity Platform briefly gained sympathy and momentum in Acholi and northern Uganda. But Todwong moved swiftly, launching a calculated and aggressive grassroots campaign that has since untied the political knot National Unity Platform had exploited. Putting boots on the ground, Todwong Richard assembled a formidable door-to-door mobilization army, re-educating voters, calming political tensions and refocusing Acholi on stability, development and disciplined leadership under the National Resistance Movement. The results are already visible. Massive defections from Nope to NRM are being reported across the region, with former National Unity Platform mobilizers and supporters openly crossing over ahead of the 2026 general elections scheduled for 15th January 2026. The NRM base is re-energized, unified and battle-ready. With President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni's return to northern Uganda, Todwong's home base has been fully activated, positioning Acholi and the entire northern Uganda to deliver what party insiders are calling a giant victory for President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.